Let's see if there's a lot. 2 hours. Lo, bugat kayo. Wala pa man, layo pa. Naalagi o. Ay, dunog, dako bakana. Ay, dako dyan na usa o. Kabot dyan agway. Ha?
Sakto na.
Look like sakto na usa.
Sakto na. Sakto na.
Bata kay makabuhi. Ay. Makabuhi gani na.
Oh, 7.
7? Haha.
6 now?
Aha. Labay na. Ibalikan ni na padagway. No, di wala hadto. Naggamatoy o. Labay naggamatoy.
You gonna put it back down here?
Huh?
Oh,
Closer there.
Closer.
Mandala na. Oh.
Oh, right here. Closer here. Anak, hulog. Gawin sa mana, je. Ay, hulog sa na. Pasagday na. Madala na dagway na.
Only one more pole, right?
Yeah.
Hopefully we catch some with the other trap.
One more pole. Okay, taas. Taas kayo na. Taas kayo na. Mimuha, mo inawala.
Oh, we're getting splashed in the back.
Oo. Okay.
That was the last one?
Yeah, that's the last one.
Got how many there? 2, right?
Mhm.
More?
Huh?
Where are you gonna do the other traps?
2. So, 6. 6 big one. 14 na, 14.
Anin ko, sinabay na rin.
Asa? Diha man nato hana gihurog. Diha man tong dako. Hani. Angkor hani.
You're gonna anchor again?
Yeah.
Well, which way is the boat floating? You might hit this.
No, the boat is floating that side, I think.